In the last 10 years, more ordinary people became millionaires than any decade in history. Not lottery winners, not celebrities, regular people, teachers, nurses, truck drivers, who all did one specific thing differently. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what they invested in and how you can start doing the same thing this week. Section 1. The millionaire myth. Most people think millionaires got rich from a big salary or some genius business idea. That's mostly false. According to research on self-made millionaires in America, the majority built their wealth slowly, through consistent investing, not overnight luck. The real secret isn't earning more, it's putting your money into assets that grow while you sleep. Let's break down exactly which assets do that best. Section 2. Asset number 1. Index funds, the boring millionaire maker. This is the most proven, most repeated path to becoming a millionaire in America. And it's incredibly boring. An S&P 500 index fund basically buys tiny pieces of the 500 biggest companies in the US, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, all of them, in one single investment. Historically, this has returned about 10% per year on average. If you invest $500 a month into an index fund starting today, in about 25 to 30 years, you'd cross the millionaire mark, without picking a single stock, without timing the market, without any special skill. Just consistency. Section 3. Asset number 2. Real estate. The slow and steady wealth builder. Real estate has created more millionaires in America than almost any other asset. Here's why it works so well. You can use other people's money, the banks, through a mortgage, to control a huge asset with a small down payment. This is called leverage. You buy a rental property, tenants pay down your mortgage every month, the property appreciates in value over time, and you get tax benefits on top of it. Many everyday millionaires didn't get rich from one lucky flip. They slowly built a portfolio of 3, 4, 5 rental properties over 15 to 20 years, and the equity quietly stacked up into a fortune. Section 4. Asset number 3. Your own skills and side business, the accelerator. Here's the part most finance videos skip. Investing alone takes decades. But if you combine investing with building a skill or a side income, like freelancing, an online business, content creation, or a service business, you speed up the entire process dramatically. Why? Because extra income means more money to invest every single month. Someone investing $500 a month becomes a millionaire in about 30 years. Someone investing $1,500 a month because they built a side income can hit the same number in under 18 years. Your skills and your investments work together, not separately. Section 5. The real millionaire formula. So here's the actual formula, stripped of all the hype. Step 1. Build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund so you never have to sell your investments in a panic. Step 2. Automatically invest a fixed amount every month into low-cost index funds. This is your foundation. Step 3. As you save more, add real estate or additional investment accounts to diversify and accelerate growth. Step 4. Increase your income through skills, side businesses, or career growth, and funnel that extra money straight into investing, not lifestyle upgrades. This exact formula, boring, repeatable, unglamorous, is how the vast majority of American millionaires actually got there. Not trading, not crypto gambling, not lottery tickets. Consistency plus time. Section 6. The brutal truth about time. Here's the number that should motivate you. If you start investing $400 a month at age 25, by 65, you could have over $1 million, just from average market returns. If you wait until 35 to start the exact same $400 a month, You'll end up with less than half that amount by 65. The market doesn't care about your excuses. It only rewards people who start, even small, even imperfect, and stay consistent.
Becoming a millionaire in America isn't about luck, and it isn't about being a genius. It's about putting your money into proven assets, index funds, real estate, and your own skills, and giving them time to compound. The people who become millionaires aren't smarter than you. They just started sooner, and they didn't stop. If this opened your eyes, hit subscribe, because next video, I'm showing you the exact step-by-step account setup to start your first $100 investment this week.